Okay, so earlier today, guys, we were talking about the idea of finding the distance of segments, and we're going to kind of extend that with something called the distance formula. And the distance formula works like this. It's the square root of the difference of the x's plus the difference of the y's. So what I want to do is I want to find the distance between 2 points. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're looking at the point negative 8, 7, and I'm going to call this x1. I'm going to call that one y1. Negative 10, 2. This is going to be x2, and that's y2. The reason why we put 2's after this is this is the second order pair. So we're going to plug this into the quadratic formula. So if you guys remember, the quadratic formula was x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. So we're going to plug that in. So in place of x1, we are going to put negative 8. And then in place of x2, we're going to put negative 10. So it's going to be minus negative 10 squared. And then in place of y1, we're going to put a 7. And then in place of y2, we're going to put a 2. I'm going to square it. Now we're just going to simplify. So negative 8 minus negative 2 becomes positive 2 squared. 7 minus 5, or 7 minus 2 is 5 squared. So 2 squared is 4. 5 squared is 25. And then we're taking the square root of that. So that's just the square root of 29. So let's try another one. So we're looking at this order pair, 12, 11. So this is x1, that's y1. 11, 9, so this is x2, and that's y2. So we're going to plug it into the quadratic formula. So x1 was 12, so I'm going to do 12 minus x2, which is 11. And then I'm going to do y1, which is 11, minus 9, which is y2 squared. So right now, I'm taking the square root of, looks like it's 1 squared, because that's what 12 minus 11 is. 11 minus 9 is 2 squared. So I got the square root of 1 plus 4, which is equal to the square root of 5. What I'm going to ask you guys to do is I'm going to ask you guys to try 3 and 4 for me, and we will talk about them later.